This isn't your average how much I made for a million views YouTube video. No, this is the auto edition. This is my car channel and I'm gonna disclose how much I made for a million views. However, there's one key thing. I'm gonna disclose a YouTube secret that a lot of YouTubers do not point out as far as how much you get paid for a million views or in general. And we're doing that right now. All right, guys, here we are. This is basically the page for my channel. This is kind of like the central hub of my analytics. This is the details of my video that got me 1.6 million views. The video is released somewhere back here, May 23rd, and current date is December 4th-ish. Yeah. All right, this is total views, 1.6 million. This is total watch time, 106,000 hours, right? The subscribers I gained from this view alone, guys, this is a huge one. Each one of you counts. I appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to do so already because you do not want to miss the future stuff as this channel grows. Each one of you counts. I really appreciate it. Here's my total revenue. If you want to just know the shorthand of the video, $1,435.69. But there's a lot of details that go into this. You do not want to miss it, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and explain how all this works out. So let's start with the 1.6 million views. Back in the day, June 30th, I had roughly around 4,800. For me, 4,800 was a lot of views, okay? I was running around 200 subscribers, not much at all, and it just started taking off. So I made it back in May. It didn't start taking off until around June. So it'd been out for over a month, right? And then in July, month and a half, it started ramping up, guys. Look at this view. So it goes up, and I'll put it this way. When it started hitting around this area, I'm not gonna lie, guys, I got choked up. So anyways, when it started taking off here, it was kind of like watching a dream come true. I'm gonna win. So when it hit, I'd say 100,000, I'm like, okay, well, I've seen other videos that are comparable go to 1 million. So if it's taking off, I believe that this video back then, I felt that it would hit 1 million, right? So this is watch time, very important. If you want to monetize, you need to have like 4,000 view hours. It is kind of important though, as far as how you get paid. I'll explain that later. Subscribers, guys, I was running no subscribers back then.
I made this one with my tears.
This is how many subscribers I got from this video. But back then I was rocking about 200 subscribers, maybe a little more, something like that. So when the video started taking off and I started getting over 1,000, it was able to monetize, which means you can make money on your videos, which means I can make more videos. It was great. All right, so 1,400 bucks. Now, when it comes to this, guys, there's a lot of YouTubers I've seen out there, like how much they made on 1 million views. There's other videos you could watch. And the reason I've watched a lot of them is because it varies widely. I've seen people make 6,000, 10,000, 2 to 3,000. But me, I've only made 1,400 based upon 1.6 million views to date, right? So if you look back at September 3rd, that's about when I hit 1 million views, right? So then if you look at the revenue, September 3rd, I made $777.48. That's a substantial drop from what other YouTubers are saying that they're making, okay? I'm not saying that they're lying, but what the difference is basically what your demographics are, so the people that it's appealing to, what the content is related to. So I'm running ads on car stuff, and if somebody's doing on makeup or finance, there's going to be a lot higher margins, so they're going to spend more on advertising. Therefore, somebody that does makeup or software, they're going to make a lot more. So that's why this video didn't make nearly as much. But it put me on the map, guys. It got me every one of my subscribers. Thank you. It gave me enough money to buy a new camera. It gave me a lot of exposure, and all those things mean a lot. So am I upset that I didn't make a lot of money? No, because realistically, it let me know that my dream is possible. Anything's possible! And that's more important to me than a couple $1,000s. So basically, this is how it breaks down on the reach. These are the impressions, which means 23.1 million people have had an opportunity to watch my video. And this is the click-through rate. This is the percentage of people that actually clicked the video. So out of these 23 million, 1.6 million or 5.1% have clicked on it and watched the video. And then here's the views. And basically this is going to be like all the demographics and what type of people are watching it and stuff like that, right? So next thing is engagement. So this is kind of like how long they watched the video for. Average duration 4 minutes. Average percentage viewed of the video is 34%. So it's like 10 and it's close to 11 minutes or about 11 minutes. So that 34% of the video is viewed on average.
And he solves the equation. The crowd goes wild. Nobel, Nobel.
This is how the revenue breaks down. So this is my estimated ad revenue. This is YouTube premium revenue. These are the type of ads that got me the percentage of the revenue that I have gotten on this video. This is how much I make per 1,000 views or something like that, right? So if you look, I made a bulk of my money right in the first month. For like there to there, I made a third of what I've totally grossed, right? And if you look, it's the same thing here. It starts off at 0, but then goes to $6.44 per 1,000 views. That's a lot. It tapers off and then it goes down to like $1, $2, something like that, and then kind of stays around there. Couple spikes, couple drops, you know, but ultimately it gives me the average of $2.72 per 1,000 views. Right? So somebody who makes a lot more on a video that is of a different genre or longer, it'll be a double. So if this was $5 per 1,000 views, this would be doubled and I'd be making like $3,000. But it's okay. So this is how it breaks down. Now you can see why some YouTubers are making a lot more and some are making a lot less. Like it can be very lucrative depending upon what you're doing. Now, this is a little word of advice. With that being said, guys, general YouTube videos, let's say you're making like food eating videos or just you have no specific genre to your channel, so it's just kind of general vlogs. Those aren't going to pay much at all because they don't have tailored ads. They're appealing to a mass market and they have no idea what their clients are. They can't tailor videos, therefore you're going to make a lot less. So you might make less than $1 per 1,000 views. So even though you're getting 1 million views per video and your click per 1,000 or whatever is low, you're still not going to be making good money. So if you want to make more, think about what genre you want to be in. Something like finance or makeup or something like that might pay a lot more because they have a lot more to spend on marketing versus car parts in my circumstance, or general funds, because if you don't know who you're targeting, you don't want to pay a lot of money. So that's why it's important to pick a genre and make sure that your videos are advertised as such. All right, this video is how much I made for 1 million views, right? I want to know how much this new video that you're watching right now would be for 1 million views. This is going to be in a different genre. I will label it under finance because it involves money, right? If you guys can do your part, give me a like, share it, watch the whole video. Any of those things really help. If we get this video over 1 million views, I will happily show you what I've made. I will give you all the details, everything you want to know. If you have any questions on this one, let me know below. That way I can show you the estimated ad revenue on this video versus this past video that made me $1,400. That way you guys can see a difference of how it works. And if you want to see that video or any other video content on cars that are on this channel, feel free to subscribe. I appreciate every one of you. I can't wait to make another video.
Here's the YouTube secret that you guys have been waiting for. I'm so happy to share it with you. So basically, when it comes to YouTube videos and making them, even the people making the videos don't know what they're gonna make. It fluctuates based upon who's paying for the ads. It fluctuates on what genre and length of the video. You could guess, a lot of people could guess, but you really don't know. You don't know what you're gonna get paid. And it fluctuates all over the board, so you just cross your fingers, hope you have everything dialed in to get the maximum revenue and make as much as possible. But realistically, that's why you cannot guess what a YouTuber makes. All I could say is just get out there and start making videos. I appreciate having you guys, and I will see you on the next one. I hope I didn't ruin my pants. Jeans are a lot better. Give me that camera. Bro,